Today, we're diving into the 2025 BMW X4 M, a luxury compact SUV that perfectly blends performance, style, and technology designed for drivers who crave sporty handling without sacrificing everyday practicality. The X4 M remains a standout in its segment. Let's break it down, covering everything from its bold exterior to its high-tech interior, impressive performance, pricing, and safety features. Exterior: the 2025 BMW X4 M takes the brand's signature design language to the next level with its aggressive stance and coupe-inspired silhouette. The sloping roofline gives the X4 M its distinct character, while the updated kidney grille and sleek LED headlights ensure it stays modern. Larger air intakes, a rear diffuser, and quad exhaust tips emphasize its performance pedigree. The 20-inch M wheels, with optional 21-inch alloys, enhance the sporty vibe, and buyers can opt for a range of new colors, including bold metallic finish that highlight the SUV's dynamic lines. Performance under the hood: the X4 M packs serious power. It is equipped with a 3.0-liter twin-turbocharged inline-six engine, delivering up to 503 horsepower and 479 pounds-ft of torque. In the competition model, the 8-speed automatic transmission ensures smooth shifts, while the MX Drive all-wheel system provides exceptional traction. The SUV rockets from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.7 seconds, offering a thrilling driving experience. Adaptive suspension, precise steering, and powerful brakes make it just as capable on twisty roads as it is on the highway. Interior: step inside, and you're greeted with an opulent cabin packed with premium materials and cutting-edge technology. The 2025 by 4 meters features merino leather upholstery, carbon fiber trim, and a driver-focused cockpit. The Drive 9 infotainment system takes center stage with a 14.9-inch curved display seamlessly integrated with a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, a premium Harman Kardon audio system, and ambient lighting elevate the in-cabin experience. Despite the coupe-like design, the X4 M offers decent rear seat space and a practical cargo. Price: the 2025 BMW X4 M starts at an estimated $80,000, while the more powerful competition model comes in closer to $90,000. With its blend of luxury, performance, and advanced features, it offers strong value in the high-performance SUV market. Safety: BMW has equipped the X4 M with a suite of advanced safety features. Standard systems include adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and automatic emergency braking. The optional driving assistance professional package adds features like traffic jam assist and HA. Overall, the 2025 BMW X4 M is a compelling choice for enthusiasts who want a sporty SUV with luxurious amenities and cutting-edge tech. It delivers exhilarating performance, eye-catching design, and a premium driving experience that's hard to beat. Stay tuned to Auto Hub Info for more reviews and updates.